Hi everyone, welcome back to Trina's Organic Lifestyle. I just received this refrigerator cooler. Let's see, there's lights in it. It's getting nice and cold. It also has a cutting board. And it has these handles that pull out so you can wheel it around. And I have it cooling right now. Here's the USB charging port. And right now I have it plugged into my Nature's generator. I have it plugged in. And then I have my cord running out to my solar panels. And back we go. So yeah, I'm loving this. Now, here's the thing, guys. This says BougeRv. However, you cannot find this on their website. I got this off of Amazon. And as I stated, you can't find this on BougeRv's website. The instruction manual, this is it. And when I Google it, nothing comes up. So, as I stated, it has these handles. They come out, and you're able to lift and carry it. And then they push back in. So, if anybody has any idea, honestly, I think someone pulled a fast one on me. However, I do like it, and I will be contacting BougeRv to find out what the actual deal is. But yeah, so I have the BougeRv plugged in here. I have my fan, my house fan over here, and then I have my solar panels coming in, charging. And it's not showing any output wattages right now. So I guess that's a good thing. I'm not really pulling much of anything to register. So again, if anybody has any ideas, if this is really legit, please leave a comment below.